In the wake of massive cuts to the nation's food stamp program, the White House has now announced it will cancel the federal government's annual report on food insecurity nationwide. Good evening, I'm Richard Allen. Marcella and Carlo have the night off. For more than 30 years, this report issued by the U.S. Department of Agriculture has tracked how many Americans are struggling to get enough food. And this guides local nonprofits in their mission to help feed low-income people. And while the federal government now says that this report is both politicized and costly, critics of the move say the real cost will be to our most vulnerable communities.
So every year when it comes out, it shows us down to each county the number of food insecure people.
Allison Glatter is with Feeding San Diego, a local nonprofit that helps feed hundreds of thousands of local families facing food insecurity every month, a need that continues to grow.
As we've seen an increase in 20%. Month over month of people that are in need of food.
And like thousands of other food nonprofits across the country, Feeding San Diego, as part of the nationwide organization Feeding America, relies on the information provided in the USDA's annual Food Insecurity Survey.
We do rely on the data. The data is really important for us to make our decisions.
Critical data, including how many families lack access to nutritious food, which communities they live in, and how much an average meal costs. Based on the most recent data provided by the USDA and published by Feeding America, 12% of San Diego County faces food insecurity.
Right now, it's 400,000 San Diegans who are food insecure, and of that, 100,000 are children.
The lack of this data moving forward, though, will require organizations like Feeding San Diego to make some tough choices.
We're going to have to together all think of an innovative way to capture the data in a different way.
In its decision to discontinue this annual federal study, which began under the Clinton administration, the USDA said in a statement that it had become redundant, costly, and politicized, adding that extraneous studies do nothing more than fearmonger.
Hunger is like a non-political issue for us. So we really try to not listen to any of those sides.
This decision comes after the Trump administration and Congress passed sweeping legislation that will reduce food assistance benefits for an estimated 2.4 million Americans, including nearly 70,000 San Diegans, according to the county. Feeding San Diego says despite these increasing challenges, they are determined to continue their mission.
We always ask for the community to come together to try to help so we can make sure these people don't go to bed hungry.
And the USDA has said that it plans to publish one final report on hunger in 2024, which is expected to be released next month.